So this is the US 30 analysis for Friday the 2nd of March. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may actually go. So previously we saw prices continue the sell-off. So we had this candle here, first indicator of weakness. We had sell side momentum take us down to this 25,439. Had prices retraced upwards almost to 25,600. And what we did see was further sell side momentum taken us beneath this 25,101. Had a brief consolidation beneath this 25,101. Almost came up for a retest of the 200 period moving average. In around the 25,101 and 25,000, we had a period of consolidation after which we did see a breakdown towards this 25,864. We were unable to hold 864, and we did see sell side momentum taking us beneath this 24,700, 650, and 550, and we did head pretty close to the 509 level. Now we did trade as low as let's have a look here. We did trade as low as 24,444, 24,441. Sorry, we did trade as low as that before seeing some buy side momentum come back into the market, taking us up towards that 24,700. Now we do appear to have turned around a bit here. We've not seen the retracement all the way back up towards key levels, and what we are seeing is further weakness in around this 650 mark. So if we continue to see the weakness and we're not able to hold on to this 550, we're looking for price head down towards that 509 level, beyond which we're looking for 420. If we were to see a break beyond the 420 levels, the very next levels that we are looking at here on the chart, in around beyond 420 is 4238, beyond which we're looking for the 24,071. Now these markets are particularly volatile, so move down towards that 24,071 from 565 is about 500 or so points. I wouldn't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, the 500 point mark towards that 24,000 mark. But if we were to see a successful navigation of 24,000, we're looking for price head down towards that 23,900 if we do have a particularly volatile day on the US 30. If, however, we are able to hold above these 24,420, particularly our lows in around the 440s, we were looking for price head up towards that for another test of the 700 level, beyond which we're looking for 24,864. This area where we did have this consolidation before seeing the next level of the breakdown. So we could potentially come down, find support again, or we could post a higher low. And again, we're looking for the 24,700 successful break, from which to the upside we're looking for 864 in around this area where we did have this period of consolidation. And over here we did have some consolidation over there as well, to see whether we do find resistance at the 24,864. Overall, though, the most recent trend does appear to be to the downside until we do see possibly a higher low or a double bottom. We do seem poised for further downside momentum here on the US 30. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. We'll just have a quick look at the daily time frame and get on here correct. And we'll hide our drawings. And what we can see here, so is we had this strong move to the upside. We've had a very sharp sell-off. We did find buy side momentum come back up for a retracement, then an upwards for a pullback, then continuation. But we are seeing a very strong, we're seeing quite a bit of weakness here in this market. So we have our highs, possibly a lower high, pretty sizable candles closing near their lows, large bodies closing near their lows. Now we do have a bit more of a wick on this candle here, possibly indicating that there was some buy side momentum in the market, but this market does look poised for deeper retracement, possibly down towards this low here. Let's just see where this low is here. This low is all the way down at that 24,296. But ultimately, if we weren't able to find support there, we've got these lows here at 23,360 and the most recent swing lows all the way down at the 23,112 level. So we'll see what happens with prices from here, but we do seem poised for further downside continuation on the US 30, despite the fact that as an index, the US 30 has got a long bias on it. So over time, it heads upwards, which is the case with most indexes. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.